Everybody speaks English, no mistakes.
Milo. Robert is not here. Chloe is at school.
I know. It is quiet.
Do you want to talk?
No.
Okay. Milo,
You said okay.
I have a question.
Ask it.
Am I good at English?
You are not bad.
This is not an answer.
It is my answer.
Milo. Test me.
I am not a teacher.
You are the best teacher.
Fine. What are you?
I am a dog.
What do you have?
I have a ball.
How old are you?
I am 4 years old.
Spell your name.
Johnnny.
Not G.
Never G.
Whose ball is it?
It is my ball.
And when I say it,
It is his ball.
I am a boy, so he's. Correct. The ball is here. This or that.
This ball.
The tree is there.
That tree.
2 trees, there.
Those trees.
Count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Count from 40.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45.
Stop.
46, 47.
Johnny. Stop. Do you have a car?
No, I do not.
Does Robert have honey?
Yes, he does.
Do I have a sofa?
Yes, you do. You always do.
Last one. Do you have to be here?
No, I do not have to.
Then why are you here?
Because you are here. Was that correct?
It was correct.
How many mistakes?
0.
0. Milo. 0.
Do not shout. It is quiet here.
Milo. Am I good at English?
You are good at English.
Say it again.
No.
Please.
I said it. It is in the air. It does not go away.
Milo. Do you want to talk?
We are talking.